Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a product review on a USB LED camping light. These come in a 2-pack. This is made by Powoxi. Please be sure and like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to the video. Let's check it out. Alright, so best use of these USB outdoor camping lights. Obviously, camping, you got a big tent, you got like a pavilion, you got like a big canopy, or even a couple of trees that you want to hang these up around. Just light up your whole camping area, your picnic table, something like that. These are going to do the trick for you. Oh, and there's the price on these lights right there on the screen, so they are definitely affordable. Alright, this is the unboxing of the USB LED camping light by Powoxi. This should be a 2-pack lantern inside here with a Y cable splitter. Let's check it out. That is everything in the box. Alright, so here's a quick look at our USB LED camping lights by Powoxi. We've got them set up underneath one of our camping canopies right here. And as you can see, we've got the wiring up there under the edge, and we've also got a little USB battery pack which you do need to supply. So one thing that I should point out about these LED camping lights is they do come with a Y splitter. And you can put your battery pack somewhere in between them, put these bulbs quite a ways apart, and get quite a bit of light on your campground or in your tent or under your canopy like we've got here. So one feature of these Powoxi LED camping bulbs is you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. You've also got natural light, you've got warm light, and you've got your cooler light with these bulbs. And I'll demonstrate that here in a minute with the remotes that come with each bulb. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it on the video here, but on these remotes right here, you've got your on-off button right there. You've got your dimmer button right there. You've got your brighter button right there. And then you've got your cooler light, your warm light, and your natural light right there. I'm going to just dim this light down a little bit so you can see what's going on. Dimming it down. That's our dimmest setting right there. Gonna brighten it all the way back up. That's our brightest setting right there. Now we're gonna switch our light modes. That's our cool light mode. That's our warm mode. And that apparently is our natural light mode. And then of course you've got your on-off mode. Kind of cool. Great for gazebos and pavilions as well. Alright, so these camp lights do come with a super clear set of instructions, very easy to understand. Alright, so it's time to go over the positive aspects of the Powoxi USB LED light starting right now. Alright, strong point number 1, these are very lightweight and portable. Alright, strong point number 2, since these are USB, they use very little power. Alright, strong point number 3, these lights are very affordable. Alright, strong point number 4, these lights are fully adjustable, so you can brighten them, you can dim them. You have natural light, you have cool light, and you have the warm light settings. And strong point number 5, these lights are shatter resistant. If you end up dropping them or you pack them where they end up getting smashed or something, they shouldn't break on you. Alright, so it's time to go over any drawbacks of the Powoxi USB LED light starting right now. Alright, so the major downside with these lights is they do have to be plugged into a USB source of some type. So it can be a battery pack, it could be a like a jackery, or just a USB port of some type to power these things. Alright, so in conclusion, are these Powoxi USB camp lights worth it or not? I'd have to say they're definitely worth the price. Just be able to light up a pavilion or a canopy or a big tent, wherever you're at, and you need that extra light. If you're up camping, you're outdoors, whatever you're doing, I'd give these things 2 thumbs up. I'd say go out and pick some of these things up. Definitely worth it. Alright, so hopefully this video has been really helpful. Please be sure and leave a comment. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.